Welcome home. This is your son.
We're damned.
Wow, osea, nolako trailer paregabea. Iepa lagunok ongi etorri zatxaplen kanalera eta hemen dakarkizuet Warhammer Vermintide. Apur bat esperut arazorik ez izatea geratzegerako garaian eta zer moduz moldatzen garen jokatzera goazen misio honetan, biharraterako daia pertsona guztientzako DLC berria Warhammer birako. Eta hemen gaude bapur bat arratoi zidioa eta beste zidio batzuk egitera.
It's like I always say, give me 5 heroes and I'll change the world. But since I can't find 5 heroes, you lot will have to do, won't you? What's the word I'm looking for?
Justu dago ez dela.
Starts with a P. And ends.
Joango da partida askar bat. Eta listo. Bale, argi dugu. Espero dut hasieratik hastea eta ez bat partidaten erdian egotea.
But the Rockbloods have found themselves a long-forgotten artifact of terrifying power. They're digging the bloody thing up as we speak, forcing Clan Festa slaves to do the tunneling. Even worse, the damned monolith's currently beyond our means to destroy. However, Alicia, the clever old girl, has at least found a way to bury the foul thing. So, listen closely.
Agian sortea dugu eta mapa berri bat da, edo nik jolastu ez dudan mapa berri bat. Ez duakat gizak animalien DLC-a, baina bere garaian beste bat bai erosi nuela. Eta ikusiko dugu. Bada espada defensa. Mapa hau ez dut ezagutzen, beraz, niretzako berria da. Vale. Defentsan bat, erason bat da. Esaten den moduan erderaz, la mejor defensa es un buen ataque. Vale. Vale. A ver. Nire joango nahi zuekin.
Remember your training, mate.
Venga ya. Esa amerratadora.
Think you can match an Azrai through sheer numbers? Ha! The arrogance. The weak will be back.
Ficharon Heraldo y Bat. Vale, eso es de Heraldo y Bat.
Gunner, close by. They don't learn, do they? I hear the Pale Queen.
Beltsi magaren gerrez gara berpisten, ala?
You need healing, Garden. Weird stone operator.
Vale. Batera gaude.
Hanging by a thread here.
Take more care, Azuki. They're no use to us dead.
Oi! Bring Barati! Hear that gas cut?
Ahora, guatzen zuen atzetik.
Demon Cave is coming down! Coming down!
Venga ya, detenense.
It's all that matters now. Someone kill that bombardier!
That's what we call a panic attack.
No, not yet.
Up you get, Clarkson.
No more shots! That rasping prick.
Guatzen, Ampora.
We're coming, Kruber! No more poison rats, darling.
Ahora, esta. gora,
You're a bit pale, Julian.
eta gora.
Which eye do you want missing?
Someone kill it!
Vale. Irazi dugu, ez dago txarto. Hirugarren aktoa. Bueno, txarto ez da joan. Elkarrego joan ziteak hemen ez da joan. Ez du nivel de zigoko garela. Bai. Vale. Bueno. Digo niveles. Vale. Vale. A ver, partida esa txarto joan.
Good evening.
A ver. Vale. Vale. Yo creo que se te mueve nada. Vale. Hala, daukago.
Katrine had a request, but I've blown it.
Partida
I
escarrada.
what it was. Katrine!
They need to stop crowding Victor. His is a natural talent like mine.
A ver, se te va haciendo un orain. Ah, vale. Oso ondo, joango gara bentsat. Hasieratik beste partidua. Jokatzera edo horrelako zeo zerrointzat.
Bit of rain today.
Bat irekiko dugu, ja topatzen dugun bertan. Bueno. Koazen ona. Partida eskar bat. Vale. Eske partida baten herrian hastea da apur bat. Frustrantea edo. Modu batera edo bestela esateko. Vale, no. Egun baten hasiko du gizak animalen DLC-a, baina bitartean ditxango du apur
Fort
bat.
Braxenbrooker is about the
Vale.
only thing stopping the enemy rampaging far and wide, but it's under siege and about to fall. I need you to do whatever you can to keep the bastion in Imperial hands. The main approach is likely chock full of packed sworn, but there is a secret entrance upriver. Use it and defend the fort in any way you can.
Mapa hau bere garaian jogatu genuen.
Braxenbrooker cannot hold forever.
Gracias.
Let's hope the road continues straight and true. Any round here don't. Let us hope the walls have not already fallen. Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as Ockree. A bomb! Oh, would you use that? Right along, kid.
Baina mapa hau ez dut oso ondo gogora.
I do not care for sieges. Too much like a cage once you're within the walls. Hiding in the shadows, assassin.
Grab you by the neck!
Vale.
Bring it on!
Rakira!
Surely, your honor will not allow you to yield.
A straight shot from One Eye and a dead rat ogre.
Do not doubt my aim, Elf. As strange as it sounds, sir, I think that was a compliment.
Revolting. It could be worse.
Bueno, que siga el Gaudia.
Down the hatch!
Verás ahora sobre carga. Goranza.
Now steel alone must serve.
I hear a gas rat.
Vale, me voy a decidir a echar todo Gaudia.
Braxenbrooker is under siege. Pray signal we are not too late. The Chaos Warrior!
There's a rattling somewhere close.
Así que sabes.
That rat's rag.
Que siga, a ver.
They're coming. You don't even know how to parry One Eye.
Norgle.
Ah, calm yourself down, One Eye. Let's just do something. Life leech lurking